Hey everyone, thanks so much for taking the time to check out my course. My name is Zach and I'm an NSCA certified performance and sports scientist with my master's in sport and exercise analytics. Over the years, I've learned how to do some pretty cool things in R. However, one of the most powerful tools I've found is the ability to create automated reports. I'm hoping this overview gives you some inspiration into the many cool things you can do with R, specifically when it comes to performance data. With that being said, let me give you an overview of what this course will help you learn. Okay, so I'm on my computer now, and to give you an example of what this could look like in a sports performance scenario, let's say the strength and conditioning staff has sent you this file with multiple time points and trials of performance testing across an entire team. So we have our time points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe preseason, midseason, postseason, something like that. And it looks like we have 3 or so trials per test here. So these outputs are fine, and if I wanted to scroll through them and find and calculate the differences or speculate on some of the change I might see or create some visuals, I could probably do that. But if that's something I'm going to be doing multiple times a month, that's going to get time consuming really quick, especially if we need actionable insight for the conditioning staff or if we need some last minute changes before competition. So let's say they're asking if their programming or other interventions are creating meaningful change. Well, we'd probably want to create them some sort of visualization that's easy to understand, show the change, and if we wanted to be confident in our answer, we'd utilize some statistical methods to prove that change is meaningful and not just measurement error, athlete variation, or noise. On top of that, if we have a big team, we probably want to be able to automatically generate those reports for multiple athletes or the whole team, and even automate that process to run and send the reports to our strength and conditioning staff on a regular basis. And that's all possible in R. Okay, so we're in R now, and I'm going to go ahead and render my athlete report, which is using the data we looked at earlier. And in a few moments, we'll get a really nice report here that's specific to a certain athlete. It has specified time points, different change values and statistical values, as well as a variety of those test metrics we saw earlier, and then some really nice visuals that will be easy for our performance staff to interpret. Now this is great, but it's only for one athlete, and if I wanted to create reports for the entire team, it could be really time consuming if I was sitting here changing each value or name one by one and saving it. So what we can actually do is, with a little bit of code here, we can fully automate that process. So now I'm actually rendering reports. You'll start to see them pop up here for all 20 athletes. And we'll let this run for a little bit here. Okay, it looks like that's done now. You can see our last output is for athlete 20. And look at that. We've got multiple custom reports that we generated here. Athlete 2, like we started with. Say if we want to look at athlete 18. Athlete 18, you can see our values have changed there. It's now specific to athlete 18. Got a few more examples here. Athlete 10. And we generated all those reports in just under a minute. Okay, if that demo was interesting to you, I'd encourage you to purchase this course and let me take you through step by step from initial data to beautiful automated reports. Now, if you're still on the fence about this course, shoot me an email, fill out my contact form, and I'm happy to discuss in further what this course could bring to your performance data. Thank you.